Everyone thinks the best-selling organic jojoba oil is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Most bottles look identical, claim the same things, and even have the same price. So how do you actually know which one delivers?
Product number 1. Organic 4-ounce Organic Jojoba Oil. Organic's 4-ounce Organic Jojoba Oil, a budget-friendly option at just $9.97. What caught my eye was the USDA organic certification and the fact it's hexane-free, cold-pressed, and comes from a brand that's quietly built a solid reputation. If you want a clean, no-nonsense jojoba oil for daily skincare without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Jojoba oil mimics your skin's natural sebum, so it hydrates without clogging pores. And Organic keeps it simple with just one ingredient. No fillers, no synthetic additives, nothing. It's also non-GMO, vegan, and cruelty-free, which matters if you're trying to avoid animal testing or questionable sourcing. Over 30,000 people have bought this in the past month, and while it doesn't have ratings yet, that volume suggests real people are trusting it. Now, some people complained about the packaging. The label says packaging may vary, and a few buyers got a different bottle than expected. Here's the thing though, the oil inside is the same. It's not a quality issue, just a design inconsistency. If you're picky about aesthetics, that might annoy you. But if you care more about what's in the bottle than what's on it, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're new to jojoba oil and want to test the waters without spending much. Skip this one if you need a larger size or hate small bottles. At under $10, it's a solid value for a starter size.
Product number 2. Yokin's 16-ounce USDA Organic Jojoba Oil. If Organic's 4-ounce size felt too small, this next one takes a completely different approach. Yokin's 16-ounce USDA Organic Jojoba Oil for $13.49. That's nearly 4 times the amount for just a few dollars more. What stands out immediately is the amber gloss bottle, BPA-free, phthalate-free, and designed to protect the oil from light damage. If you want bulk value without sacrificing purity, this is a smart move. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Jojoba oil oxidizes when exposed to light and air, so the dark bottle isn't just for looks, it actually helps preserve freshness. It's cold-pressed, unrefined, and extra virgin, meaning it retains more of its natural nutrients. And at 16 ounces, you can use it on your face, hair, body, and even DIY projects like lip balms or massage blends without worrying about running out. Over 10,000 people have bought this recently, which shows real demand for larger sizes. Now, some people mention the pump isn't included. You have to buy it separately or pour manually. Here's the thing though, that's actually common with bulk oils. It keeps the cost down and lets you choose your own dispenser. If you're making your own skincare, you probably already have droppers or pumps. But if you expect a ready-to-use setup, this might feel like an extra step. This is perfect for you if you use jojoba oil regularly or love making homemade beauty products. Skip this one if you only need a tiny amount or hate measuring oils yourself. At under $14 for nearly a pint, it's an incredible value.
Product number 3 was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for aromatherapy lovers. Handcraft Blend's 8-ounce USDA Organic Jojoba Oil at $9.99. What sets this apart is its focus on being a premium carrier oil. It's cold-pressed, hexane-free, and specifically marketed for blending with essential oils. If you want a smooth, non-greasy base for custom skincare or massage oils, this one's built for that. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Jojoba oil's molecular structure makes it one of the best carriers because it doesn't go rancid quickly and blends easily with other oils. This one is lightweight, absorbs fast, and won't leave a greasy film. Perfect if you hate that sticky feeling. It's also rich in vitamins E and B, which help repair skin and reduce irritation. Over 10,000 buyers in the past month suggest it's a favorite among DIYers and holistic skincare fans. Now, some users noted the bottle is tall and narrow, which can make pouring messy if you're not careful. Here's the thing though, that's a trade-off for the amber glass protection. You can always transfer it to a smaller bottle with a dropper. It's not a flaw in the oil itself, just a design quirk. If you're using it in blends, you're likely measuring carefully anyway. This is perfect for you if you love essential oils and want a reliable, high-quality carrier. Skip this one if you only use jojoba oil straight on your skin and don't care about blending. At $9.99, it's a fair price for a versatile, multi-use oil.
Product number 4. Majestic Pure 8-ounce Organic Jojoba Oil. If you're serious about hair and lash care, this next one is worth your attention.
Majestic Pure's 8-ounce USDA Organic Jojoba Oil at $9.99. It's marketed not just for skin, but specifically for eyelashes, eyebrows, and scalp health. What caught my eye is how lightweight it is. It absorbs quickly without weighing down fine hair or irritating sensitive areas. If you want targeted care for thinning brows or dry scalps, this one's formulated with that in mind. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Jojoba oil helps unclog hair follicles and supports healthy growth, and Majestic Pure emphasizes that use. It's cold-pressed, hexane-free, and free of parabens and fragrances, important if you're applying it near your eyes. The texture is silky but not heavy, so it won't leave residue on your lashes or make them look greasy. Over 6,000 recent buyers show it's gaining traction in the natural beauty space. Now, some people said the dropper isn't the best. It can leak or dispense too much at once. Here's the thing though, that's fixable with a better dropper or careful handling. The oil itself is high quality, so this is more of a packaging nitpick. If you're precise with application, just go slow. This is perfect for you if you're using jojoba oil for hair growth or lash conditioning. Skip this one if you only need it for body moisturizing and don't care about precision. At $9.99, it's a solid pick for targeted use.
Product number 5, Cliganic 16-ounce with pump. We come full circle with Cliganic again, but this time the 16-ounce size with the pump for $24.69. This is the upgraded version of their 4-ounce bottle, now in bulk with a convenient dispenser. What makes this stand out is the pump. No mess, no guessing, just the right amount every time. If you want the same trusted formula, but in a larger, more user-friendly format, this is the one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The pump reduces waste and contamination. Your fingers don't touch the oil, so it stays fresher longer. It's still USDA organic, cold-pressed, and single ingredient, just like the smaller version. And at 16 ounces, you're paying about half the price per ounce compared to the 4-ounce bottle. Over 4,000 recent sales show people are upgrading once they try the original. Now, some users mention the pump can clog if the oil gets too thick in cold weather. Here's the thing though, that's normal for natural oils. Just run the bottle under warm water for a few seconds to loosen it. It's not a defect, just a quirk of pure, unprocessed oil. This is perfect for you if you've already tried jojoba oil and want to commit to daily use. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or don't need that much. At $24.69, it's the best long-term value in this list.
So which one should you pick? If you're just starting out, go with Cliganic's 4-ounce. Need bulk value? Yokin's 16-ounce is hard to beat. Love DIY blends? Handcraft Blends is your best bet. Focused on hair and lashes? Majestic Pure delivers. And if you want convenience and quantity, Cliganic's 16-ounce with pump is the ultimate upgrade. All 5 are USDA organic and high quality. The real difference is in how you plan to use them.